Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, back up or clone the drive so you can restore the system if anything goes wrong. Once done, power down the PC, unplug every cable and press the case power to bleed residual charge. Make sure to ground yourself with a wrist strap or touch the chassis. Remove the side panel using the correct screws, then locate the drive bay or M2 slot. This is where you'll work. Keep screws and small parts in a container to avoid loss. You'll now remove the old drive. If it's a 5-inch SATA SSD, disconnect the SATA and power cables, then undo the mounting screws and slide the drive out. If it's an M2 module, remove the tiny screw at the standoff, lift the module at an angle and slide it free. Once removed, transfer any caddy or bracket to the new SSD. Insert the new drive. SATA should sit flat in the bay with cables reattached. M2 goes in at about 30 degrees and is fastened with the screw. You finish by closing the case and reconnecting power and peripherals, then boot into BIOS or UEFI to confirm the new SSD is detected. Make sure the interface mode, OSI or NVMe, is correct. Next, initialize and format the drive or restore your cloned image, and set the boot priority if you replace the system disk. Run a quick smart check and a simple transfer test to confirm performance. If detection fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.